What's up, YouTube? In this video, I'm replacing the coils on my 2017 Audi Q5 2.0T. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and stick around. You're going to want to watch this whole video. Okay, first step, you're going to want to remove your engine cover. And you're just going to be able to grab it and pull up. Okay, first step when you're removing your coil is you need to remove this T30 that's right in front of this diagnostic coil or plug. And once you get that out, put it somewhere where you're not going to lose it. Now to remove the wiring harness from your coils, you'll take this right here and pull it back. If you can't get it with your hand, you can put a screwdriver in there and just turn it, and you'll hear it click. That one might have broke. Nope, it just came off. Came loose. Hopefully it didn't break. But do that on all four. And pull your coils out. Okay, now to remove once you have these loose, to remove the coil, put a screwdriver from the back and pop it. Pop that one up, then go to the next one. Oops. Just go down the line. Once you get to these two, you can find something metal to pry off of. Because I'm doing this with one hand, I'm actually switching to this tool, this body panel tool or whatever it is. I'm prying off of this right here. If I was doing it with two hands, I could probably use a regular screwdriver still. Same thing right here. Now you should be able to pull your coils out. Since I'm replacing mine, I'm just going to discard these, but if I was putting the same ones back in, remember which one came out of which hole. Now take your coils. If you're putting in the same coils, make sure you put them back in the same order that you took them out. If you're putting in new coils, it doesn't matter obviously. So take your first coil. I'll leave a link to these APRs in the description. And just put them in the holes. Go through and put all four in. So once you have your coils in there, you're going to want to try to, it's easier if you have two hands, but get that part onto each coil. Okay, once you have that on there, go ahead and seat all your coils. Push them all the way down. And then plug them in. You get them mostly on, and then I'll go through it. You're gonna hear it click like you just heard that one. If you have both hands, it's a lot easier. I'm gonna do it with both hands real quick. Okay, once those are all clipped in, you'll hear it click when it goes in. So make sure they all click. And take your last screw and tighten that. Right now, put your top cover on. It's gonna be hard with one hand, but just set it on top there. Press it into place. I guess it's not that hard with one hand. Okay, so that's how you replace your coils in a 2017 Audi Q5 2.0T. Probably should work in any 2.0T. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs down. And give me a reason why you liked it or didn't like it in the comments. And subscribe. See you in the next video.